Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Let's learn how to add a code snippet to your blog post in this video. Here's how you can quickly do it. On your blog post editor, go to the plus button on the left, scroll down and click HTML code. Click Edit HTML. Make sure HTML is selected here and then paste your code here. Then click on Save. And your snippet should successfully be displayed here. Click on Save to save your changes, or if your blog post has previously been published and you just edited it or updated it, you're going to have to click on Publish again for the changes to take effect on your live blog post as well. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.